Mary, what are you going with?
I'm going to go with the Jim Gavin down in the farm not closing the gate, because
Lord
this
Jim
was
of the Manor,
our first introduction really to Jim Gavin. He had won the Fianna Fáil vote and we didn't really see much of him in the media after that. But this is where the public got to know him, was the week of the ploughing. He did a video to show his farming credentials. And I think it shows that while, the saying goes that most political careers end in failure, this was a political career beginning in failure. And the only talking point at what was the first week of the presidential campaign was this man trying to show his credentials with the Royal Ireland, walking out of a field, never mind the white trousers and the nice shiny wellies, but the fact that he didn't close the gate behind him. Because anyone who grew up in a farm will know that that is the most triggering thing you can do, because it can lead to all sorts of calamities and disasters and, phone calls and cattle on the road and cattle in someone else's field and garden and all the rest of it. So I think that was the gaffe. And it also showed that you can have the best planned, slickest social media campaigns going, but ultimately what people want is a bit of honesty and a bit of sincerity and a bit of authenticity from their candidates.
I've weighed it all up. Jesus, spent hours in this one, lads. I really, and I'd be accused of bias here, Mary. None of you went for Michael Lowry and the two fingers or anything like that. You all stuck with the presidency.
It's been a long year.
Okay.
Our minds have just become so stuck in that presidential campaign that it's just, hard to kind of conceptualise anything that happened outside.
I think given that Mary had to spend so long whittling down the number of Jim Gavin Fianna Fáil gaffes over the course of the campaign, we'll have to give it to her, because any one of about a dozen elements of the Fianna Fáil campaign.
The best thing about that
one in the back.
Remember when he did drop out, somebody did a reverse on the video showing going backwards and closing the gate behind him.
I missed that one. We'll take that out and we can see it.